Nakita kita sa isang magazine, dilaw ang iyong suot, buhok mo'y green sa isang tindahan sa may Baklaran. Napatingin, natulala sa iyong kagandahan. Naaalala mo pa ba, tayo bang dalawa? Di ko inakala, sisikat ka. Tinawanan pa kita, tinawag na walang hiya. Medyo pangit ka pa noon, ngunit ngayon iba na ang iyong ngiti, iba na ang iyong tingin. Nagbago na lahat sa'yo. Sana hindi nakita, sana'y walang problema. Pagkatulangan ka ng pera, pambili sa mukha mong maganda. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Masabayan niyo ko ah. Lift your head, baby, don't be scared of the things that could go wrong along the way. You get by with a smile. Can never be too happy in this life. Baby, you don't have to worry, 'cause there ain't no need to hurry. No one's ever said that there's no easy way. When they're closing all the doors, they don't want you anymore. It sounds funny, but I'll say it anyway. Girl, I'll stay through the bad times, even if I have to fetch you every day. To get by with a smile. Now it's time to kiss away these tears goodbye. Sabay-sabay! I can see you! Let me hear you singing. Do